and welcome to Leon's Lock Pad. I hope everybody's doing well. Today we're going to do this Yale night latch, our rim cylinder. There's your bit in, quite savage-ish, does work nice and smooth. These are most commonplace in the UK, 70s and 80s. You'd find mostly all front doors with the Yale night latches, usually brass. This is a more of a modern one. But let's see if we can get in this thing. So, my tension wrench and a medium hook. No, I've not gone off, by the way, my nails. I'm in the middle of restoring a 1982 Kit Knight Rider car, 125 scale. I collect iconic TV and film, well, cars, original ones. Generally get them off eBay, fairly mashed up, and restore them back to their former glory. But that's why that's black, because not long since been just sprayed it, and I'll be going back after this video to carry on spraying. So, right, let's get on with this, see if we can get in here. Oh, we've got a lot of cake on there. Oh, there we go. Well, we're open. That was that's quite gritty inside there. Right. I'll just move this out of the way. I can shut that back up. Oh, give me a second. Postman's here. We're back. I just pulled this off already. Another one of my purchases from eBay. Ugh. Right, let's get that there. Oops, dropping things. Right, let's get in this. See what we've got. Let's get one of the followers. Oh, so we were six pins. We got anti-drill in there. What I'll do is I'll take one of these out because they're always the same anyway. They're just standard key pins. Let's have a look. Yeah, they're just standard key pins. It's what's usually in here. Let's take that out a minute. What have we got? We have a steel anti-drill. Oh, we've got a double serrated top and bottom. And in number 3. That's anti-drill in number 4. And another one, serrations one. And what's just jumped out? There we go. I'm not going to bother taking the springs. We know it's a standard lock, so it's just standard springs. Nothing different about them. But there's the key pins. You can see them. Sorry, the drivers. Thought it'd be a little bit trickier than what it was. It was a quite easy pick, but still fun nonetheless. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. See you on the next one.